I hope you're all ears because somebody has a new Easter tradition for you. Check it out. Just like a tree, we're relieved that it's spring again and excited for Easter, and I've been hatching a plan to get people out of their shells and introduce a new way to make Peep Jerky. It's a power-packed travel snack that helps you spring into action. Some people say it's to die for, but I don't care at all what other people say. Why shell out for expensive store-bought Peep Jerky? This hop-new recipe proves that vacuum chambers don't suck. So this Easter Bunday, don't make a peep, make Peep Jerky. You'll be happy you did. Hey, go get the word out. Send it by hair mail if you have to. If you work at a newspaper, don't Cadbury the lead on this story. Peep Jerky is irresistible and compact, and you can make it in minutes flat. Don't be a basket case, maximize your basket space. If Easter egg puns crack you up, feel free to poach any of these. But if they make you hopping mad, don't bite my ear off. Now here's a final aphorism that you can always fall back to. Don't leave your Easter eggs on a hillside, unless you want spring rolls.